Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now I am going to discuss about pinnacle rearrangement. First we will see what is pinnacle rearrangement. The acid catalyzed transformation of diol into aldehyde or ketone is known as pinnacle rearrangement, and the product which form usually go through by most stable carbocation intermediate followed by 1 to migration of alkyl aryl group. Okay, and the relative migratory aptitude depends upon the donating nature of the groups, and aryl hydride and phenyl group has more migratory aptitude as compared to tertiary butyl group or cyclopropyl group, 2-degree alkyl group, primary alkyl group, etc. Okay, and the stereochemistry of the migratory group remain unchanged. If there is some stereochemistry of the migratory group, then there is no change in the stereochemistry. Okay, stereochemistry of the migratory group. Okay, and this is then we'll see the mechanism of pinnacle rearrangement, and this is your pinnacle vicinal diol molecule, and when this molecule treated with acid like a sulfuric acid, uh, the one of the OH group protonated and water elimination takes place, and here the carbocation generation takes place, and after that the methyl group want to shift of the methyl group gives rise to this type of ketone H product. Okay, and this ketone is your pinacolone. Okay, another example we'll see here. This is your vicinal diol. When treated with this sulfuric acid, the carbocation which form will be the more stable, and the protonation takes place where the stability of carbocation is more. Okay, and here you are seeing the benzylic. Reaction follow this path. Okay, and the shifting of this 1 to methyl shift occur after generation of the carbocation. 1 to methyl shift occur, and gives rise to this ketone as your product, desired product. Okay, another example we'll see decalin vicinal decalin type molecule. Here you have to remember here that the stosylation takes place always takes place from the less hindered alcohol. Okay, that means the primary stosylation of the primary alcohol is more as compared to secondary followed by tertiary. Okay, so this is your secondary alcohol, this is your tertiary alcohol, so this one is your less hindered position, so stosylation takes place here. Okay, and after that it is treated with this your base. Okay, and followed by rearrangement gives rise to expansion as well as contraction of the ring. Okay, this type of product you will get. And why this type of product is forming in the chair form, you are saying this bond and this C OTS X means your OTS C OTS bond and this bond are in anti-periplanar. Okay, so when this negative charge comes like this and this bond go like this, because the antibonding orbital of the COTS bond is exactly below, so this bond shifted towards the antibonding orbital of the COTS bond, so that's why the rearrangement takes place. And this is the two problem you have to do, and I am giving some hints here. Here is the tosyl chloride. You know, I have already discussed. The tosylation takes place from the less hindered position, and after that rearrangement you will do. And also here BF3 what ET. This is your Lewis acid, and Lewis is what is the work of the Lewis acid? And the proton attack to the Lewis acid, and after that the carbocation takes place. Carbocation takes place, and followed by rearrangement takes place, and you will do if you will face some problem, then just put a comment in our comment box, and then I will